tight, you guys. Stay tight with me. Stack right here. Stack tight on me. Stack tight on me. Tight, 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 tight. Stack tight. They're not expecting a portal right now. They aren't expecting it. Stack tight. So what you're going to want to do is jump down, put a portal on that snowy top right there, and get in there, man, silently. Okay, well, Osa or one of the Mesmers jump down, put this portal in front of us on that snowy port, and port us behind them. They're not ready for it. Stealth now, veil now. They're not expecting it. They won't AoE if you veil now. Use your massive, or yeah, use your stealth. Get in there. Get ready, jump down now. Focus up. Right now, empowers now. Get ready, portal in. Push them. Around the sides. Come on, follow me. Stick up. Follow me. We're going to the back. Kill this motherfucker on this cart. Move with me, please. Stay with me. Kill this guy on the cart. Alright, empowers here. Clear chat. Let's go. We're pushing. Follow me. Stay tight with me. We're pushing them. Stability now. Push in. Heavy damage right here. Heavy damage. Hit the sides. Come on. Hit the sides. Push in a little bit. Get heavy damage on them. Come on, you guys. Focus up, Ash. Focus up. This is damage time. Heavy water on me right here. Heavy water. We need these downs. Come on. Heavy damage. Focus up. Come on. This is ours. Get this damage. Yes, a lot of them are going down. Keep focusing right here. Heavy heals. Heavy empowers. Come on, you guys. Keep damage. Come on, please. For the love of God, let's win this. Let's fucking win this. Please. Keep the heals going. Focus them down. Get those rallies for our team. Come on. Get the fucking downs. Kill this lord. Push forward, tanks. Lock them down. Heavy empowers and heals. Push in. Heavy damage. Come on, all the way. Push it. This is our fucking house. Push in, fucking Ash. Take them down right now. This is done. GG for them. That's right. Get the hell out of here. Talk shit later. We're fucking here to play. Take them down. I knew they were getting sloppy. Come on, push in. More downs. Focus up. Get another cap right now. Come on. Heavy heals, you guys. I need your guardians. Empowers. Heavy empowers. He's almost there. Fucking kill his ass. Heavy downs in the Lord room. Come on, you guys. Heavy downs in the Lord room. Clean them up. Everyone should be in the Lord. Heavy heals. I need empowers in the Lord right now. Let's do this. Focus up. Yep, blast it now. Let's do this. Good job, everybody. That's the fucking way to do it. Kill this fucker. Yep, and GG to him. Tell him suck a fat bag of dicks. This is our keep. Kill him right now. Get them out of here. Good job, Ash. Good job. Especially you, Osa. Good port, man. Respect on that shit right there. Kill this guy. Yeah, cause fuck him, dude. Exactly. Thank you, Sax. Pound that shit right there, son. Pound it. Hell yeah, dude. Cheer, everyone cheer. Slash cheer, everybody. It's ours.
Consequence number 10.
Alright, let's clear it.
So, here's the prime.
Robitussin DM Max now comes in a new liquid-filled capsule. Nothing provides more powerful cough relief.
Oh!
Robitussin.
Damn, son. Straight admitting to the rapage. That is what's up.